Mathematicians, we are continuing to make 10. So we're making equations where we're using numbers to make 10 with number bonds. Let's dive into problem set 6 and see what's going on.
Lesson 6. Solve. The first one has already been done for you. Okay, so let's look at number 1. In number 1, we solved 9 plus 2 equals 11. How did this person solve the problem? You might have noticed that they broke 2 into 1 and 1 so that they could add 9 and 1 to make 10 and then 1 more to make 11. Over here, they just wrote it backwards. Instead of 9 plus 2 equals 11, they wrote 9 plus 2 equals 11, they wrote 2 plus 9 equals 11. Since addition is magical, they just flipped it. So notice that for number 2, it's 9 plus 6, and then 6 plus 9, 7 plus 9, and then 9 plus 7. Notice that they wrote a number bond for both of them, and then they filled out a number bond with the total. So for both of these, the total was 11, and the two parts they made were 10 and 1. But Mrs. Norton, I thought the two parts were 2 and 9. No, because the way that they solved it was by making 10. And then what was left is the 1. So that's how you're going to do number 2 and 3. Pause the video now, do number 2 and 3, and then I will show you how I solved the problem. So for number 2, I solved the problem by stealing a 1 from the 6 because I know that 9 and 1 would make 10, and then I'm left with 5. So my two parts are 10 and 5, which I know makes 15, which is my total. Over here, I'm still going to steal a 1 from the 6 to make 10. 5 is my other part, and my answer is 15. For numbers 4 through 6, you're doing the same thing. You're using number bonds to show your thinking, and then you're writing the related 10 fact. So for 9 plus 4, how many am I going to steal from the 4 to make 10? 1, exactly, because 9 plus 1 is 10. And then what's left in the 4? A 3. So that makes 10 plus 3, which is 13. Solve number 7 says match the equal expressions. I love this type of problem. So notice they did the first one for you as an example so you can solve the rest. So this is saying that 9 plus 3 equals 10 plus 2 because 9 plus 3 equals 12 and 10 plus 2 equals 12. So now look at 5 plus 9. Which of these 10 plus number sentences equals the same thing as 9 plus 5? So match the equal expression. Number 8 says complete the addition sentences to make them true. So you're going to be writing the total, or like over here, you're going to be writing a part. You can use any strategy you want to solve this, but you might find it helpful to use tens. Do your best work. Make sure to cut out your problem set work and also to show it and your application problem to your manager. Once she checks yes, this is your highest quality work, check it off your goal sheet and put it in your orange folder to take home.